So what's up, y'all? Today I'm finna show y'all how to do. Whoa! Did you just do a backflip, my friend?
Yes, sir.
Wait, I got a challenge for you. I want you to try my signature hero flip. You can do that?
Yes.
All right, let's get up there, my friend. I'm finna challenge him to do my signature hero flip off this fat ledge. Let's see if he can do it. If I land this, you guys have to like this video, and if we both land this, you guys have to like and follow from this video. Please don't break on me. Woo. Whoa! Let's go! That was perfect. That was literally perfect. Y'all, since I just did that and he did it right after me, I'm gonna see if we can do it at the same exact time, and hopefully this doesn't go wrong. Go. Oh, what's up, bud? Oh.